What's good? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping?
Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V money.
Come and glow with Geeglow, honey. Come and glow with me.
This my African hands will love you. My African lips will kiss you. Yeah. My African hips get down for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this wig over here. Yes, this is a wig, it's not my hair. Okay, I wish it was, but it's not. So this wig was made by me, obviously. So the hair was sent to me by Janet Collection. They sent to me this hair about 2 years ago. 1 year ago I've done some videos with this hair. I think I'm going to keep picture over here for you guys to see the hair I'm talking about. So yeah, so I did this wig very easy. It took me less than 1 hour to do this entire wig. Okay, it didn't took me like for real. Okay, it took me less than 1 hour for everything. And yeah, so I have this headband you see over here. So I have these headbands over here plus this one I'm having on. So that means that more headbands, more videos that are coming for you guys. Even though I have one here already, I'm going to keep that one for the next video. So yeah, basically that's it. I just don't want to talk too much, even though I did. But anyways, everything is going to be detailed down below and also in the video. Want to know how I did this wig? Keep watching and also keep your honest comments down below with what you think about this wig, okay? Don't forget. So if you want to know how I did this, just keep watching.
Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when it by you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa, and if no be you, man, I'm petakwa. They laughing at me, mahama watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you, oh. Maki mara mane so, mwadi mari bebe ko. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka pokwa kiwunye mo. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka makwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel right for you, oh. Maki mara mane so, mwadi mari bebe ko. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you, oh. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you, oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when it by you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa, and if no be you, man, I'm petakwa. They laughing at me, mahama watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you, oh. Maki mara mane so, mwadi mari bebe ko. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka pokwa kiwunye mo. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka makwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel right for you, oh. Maki mara mane so, mwadi mari bebe ko. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa. And if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you. Oh, maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka pokwa kiwunye mo. No podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka makwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel die for you. Oh, maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa. And if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you. Oh. Maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka pokwa kiwunye mo. No podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka makwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel die for you. Oh. Maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa. And if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you. Oh. Maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka pokwa kiwunye mo. No podona ndezi no mo. Onyo bonaka makwano monakio. I go right for you, I feel die for you. Oh. Maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I've been the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy you no day. Man, jiggy chair play. I can't let you go, baby, no way. Baby, makatakwa. And if no be you, manamang petakwa. They laughing at me, mahamang watakwa. I go right for you, I go high for you. Oh. Maki maramane so, madi madi bebe go. Onyo podona ndezi no mo. onye ọbụla ga-akpọkwa gị nwunye mbọ. Ndị obodo na ndị ezinụlọ mbọ. Onye ọbụla ga-amakwa n'ụmụ na gị. I go ride for you, I feel die for you. Maki mara made soko, madi baby go. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody gotta know you. Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in a plan to marry you.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Peace. I'm done. Like, I'm done with this hair. It's my birthday month. I think, no, when I upload this video, it's going to be my birthday month. Yeah, because I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but yeah, I'm going to upload next month, which is October. Anyway, this month, because you're seeing this video in October. Anyways, I don't want you to be confused at all. So guys, like, what do you like, for real, do you like this wig? Because I'm loving it, because like, it's winter and I don't have time to like combing my hair. I hate combing my hair. Okay, you are going to see the kind of protective style I have in my hair at the end of all this, or in another video. So yeah, basically that's it. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, t-shirts. I mean, my like, look at this. Mom of cookies. What's good? What's good? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? So yeah, that's it. I think I don't have anything to say. Anyway, I can't put music because YouTube is going crazy with all this copyright age, and no, I need my cash. Okay, so that's it. So nothing else to say. Oh, I think I showed it in the video, but if I didn't show, is this hair I used. So yeah, but I'm very sure I showed it. I'm very sure about it. So I used the color 1B, and I still have, I think, 2 packs remaining. Yeah, the other one is in the luggage. So yeah, I only used 1 pack. Yeah, I used 1 pack. I used the entire pack of this because I really needed a full wig with it. So it's 36 inches, and you guys can see 36 inches. So I cut it over here and just crochet. Anyways, you saw the video already if you're in this part. So that's it, cuties. I'm kind of tired because I work a lot. I have another video for you guys, many, I think, anyway, not many, I think 6 videos to record. So yeah, crazy, right? I know, but anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the 12k, no, 12k plus, I think 12,100 and something subscribers right now. 12k plus is going to 12,200 subscribers, and it's crazy. Thank you all so much. Like, oh, and very soon is my birthday. Oh, you guys have to wait for my birthday outfit. Like, come on. Come on, you guys have to wait for it, because like, I think I'm going to be posting it both in my YouTube and my Instagram. I think I'm going for a dinner on my birthday, by God's grace, special dinner. But the outfit is just too much. It's just so much, everything, beaucoup. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys. Mwah. Peace.
Darling, you don't know, say me, I'm in the plan to marry you. Oh. No be only date, oh, I'm in the plan, baby, to wifey you. Oh. Shana, you have been there, hold me down when did I buy it?